After we visited Bishop's Castle and had quite an exciting adventure, we wanted to go up in the mountains behind it. We wanted to go up and see this mountain specifically. From the campsite, we could see this Greenhorn Mountain. And so we drove a little bit further away from Bishop's Castle and made a left on a gravel road that went up through the National Forest. There wasn't a lot of snow when we started out, but the further up we got, the more snow we saw. We didn't see any wildlife. Well, I take that back. Coming back down, we did see a herd of elk. They were beautiful. We did pass a beaver dam, but we didn't see any beaver. Crossed a lot of cattle guards, but they were wide open with bypasses around them. We didn't see any cattle up here. It was a beautiful drive. We didn't see anybody going up. On the way down, as we were almost to the bottom, we did pass a sedan, and we were surprised that he was going to go up here, because at one point we did need to use four-wheel drive when the snow got deeper.
Let's see the prints on the snow.
It's a state highway.
Yes. Continue to 18 miles. They were up there to keep an elk or a bear or something.
Snow doesn't look that deep in the picture, but we were all by ourselves and we were up there in the middle of the wilderness and the snow was getting deeper and deeper. So we decided to turn around.
Yeah, I haven't seen one single place to turn around in.
Well, we are up in the mountains. I'm telling you, we are up here in the mountains, in the middle of nowhere. We ran into too much snow, so we were fortunate to get turned around. We got a weird sign here. It says all cars must have a license plate. I think it's gonna rain. But we came up, we were gonna go up to the top of this mountain, but I don't think so. It's hard to believe, but there's actually an intersection up here. Car didn't get too muddy. Got some mud on there. Can't believe Sue let me up here, come up here. She usually screams, no, no, no. It's getting cold up here, I'll tell you. Temperature's dropping. You know, we'll just drive up and look and see the view out there. Any colder, we're going to have a snowstorm.
A little foggy, must be the rain down there. Or the snow, man. Hey everybody, we're back on the road, finally. What is this, the 5th day? Since we left El Paso, we have been taking it slow. But we're a little south of Pueblo and we're heading up to Denver, going to Bear Creek. We had a great day yesterday going up in the mountains. We'll have lots of video to show you on that. And we're excited to get to Denver and see our boys, John and Sam, and Andrea and Justin, so, and the kitties. So we're praying for a safe trip, especially from Pueblo to Denver. The traffic is out of control. I'll have Sue video a couple times when we hit the traffic, but of course you'll see it on our new dash cam. I like our dash cam camera. I highly recommend this brand. If you want to know what it is, ask in the comments. It has been perfect for us.
Northeast on I-25 North.
All right, we'll see you in Denver.
All right, we're at Bear Creek, and it's a very windy, cloudy day, and okay, we're doing good. There's our RV back there. We're going on a little hike. This is a cool park. It's got a great big area with a couple lakes. Got to drop off our trash on the way to our hike. Bye. Turkey Creek.
There's a different sign.
It's a nice little creek.
Never come out.
Leaves are all starting to come out on the trees. By the time we leave this campground in 2 weeks, looks like we got more clouds coming in, Susie. There's our campground. There's a pretty little mountain stream.
Oh, we could ford the stream and walk on the other side.
Big trees can grow by the creek when you're in Colorado. Our biggest challenge on this trail is getting run over by mountain bikers. They come through here pretty fast. I hope we don't get run over. Yeah, I did too. Grass is green, but none of these trees or bushes have leaves. Well, this bush does. You can see a bunch of ducks over there. Oh yeah, I think there's a duck on there now. See? There's a duck out there now.
Oh, yeah. And there's a whole bunch up there to your right.
Water's pretty clear. Yeah. Oh look, there's one of those water birds with the long legs. Usually
I guess you turn around, but
crossing the creek again. Flowers. It's a big tree. We're hoping someone doesn't come over this hill on a bike at 100 miles an hour. That's a tough trail. Man. Yeah.
push it away. Yeah.
All right. We're heading back to the RV. And we're thankful we didn't get run over by a mountain biker. They're all over the place.